Hmm. Today's topic of the power to make the rules. What are all the power which has been make rule for the Drug and Magic Act? So the central government has been made notification in official gazetted officers. They will make a rules for carrying out this Drug and Magic Remedy Act. So here in power, that is the specifying the disease or the disorder to which provision of the section 3 shall be make apply for the Drug and Magic Remedy Act. And they also prescribe manner in which advertisement of articles or the things under the section of 14 may be sent to be confidentially. In that first one is the subjected to provision of rules which has been made in the behalf of the gazetted officers, which has been authorized by the state government within the local limit of this area. In that first one, entry and search of reasonable time for the place in which behalf of their offense under this act has been committed, and various size cease of any advertisement. If any ceases of advertisement has to be the reason to believe for contravenance of the provision of this act. And third one, examine any record, registered or document material which has been found with the size various C's of the same may be furnished the evidence to the commission of the offense should be punishable under this act means Drug and Magic Act. And they also provision for the code of criminal procedures shall be made under this act. And they also person sees anything means if subsection or made any inform to the magistrate take his order to the custody which has been made. And next here, the what are all the offense and penalties. And in the power and research, they are having the various advertisements which has been associated to be drugs should be sent confidentially in prescribed manner only to the registered medical practitioner from the RMP only. If any advertisements which has been associated to the drug to be printed or the published by the government, if any advertisements which are relating to the drug printed or published by the by any person within the person of this government, if any advertisement as a label set of instructions which has been permitted under the Drug and Cosmetic acts and their rules. And next is the offense and penalties. Offense and penalty means punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months or with fine for both for first convention, and punishable with imprisonment for 1 year or fine with both for subsequent convention. And in the case of contravention means every person who time being commission of offense who has in the in charge who has been in charge and the responsible for the company of the beings company of the business and deemed to be guilty and liable for the punishment. Punishment should be committed without his knowledge, or he has to be taken for the precaution to prevent the commission of the offense. And if every person which has been authorized under section 8 Section 8 shall be deemed to be the public servant within the under the section of Indian Penal Code. And also the central government may give the notification in official gazetted officers, make rules, make a various types of rules for the carrying the Drug and Magic Remedy Act. For this, so this is the name of the disease, or the disorder. Disease means atherosclerosis, blindness, blood poisoning, cancer, deafness, diabetes, disorder of pain, disorder of the brain, and disease and disorder of the optical system, disease and disorder of the uterus. And these are all the various disease, and also the disorder of the nervous system and disorder of the prostaglandinic gland. These are all the various offense and penalties that leads to the advertisement of the drug and cosmetic